To find scholarly articles through the library, you can start on the library homepage and use the big search box in the middle of the screen under the Everything PC tab and enter the keywords that you want to search for. As you see your results come up, make sure that you do sign in as a Presbyterian College student. It goes through single sign-on, so this will be the same username and password that you always use for single sign-on. And this allows you to actually have access to all of the electronic resources through the library. At this point, my results include books, ebooks, articles, magazine articles, all types of sources. So I'm looking for scholarly articles only, so I'm going to need to limit that down using the limiters, and the one I'm going to choose first is the limiter for peer-reviewed journals. This is going to limit my results to only articles that appear in scholarly journals which have been peer-reviewed. So that's important, and you can also limit by resource type. So here I'm going to choose articles instead of reviews. Reviews are going to be little short publications that don't give you a lot of information. So you don't want those. I just want articles. And now you can see on the left hand side of the screen active filters. And I have peer-reviewed journals and articles. So I know that I'm only seeing in my results articles from scholarly publications. And I can choose one to see more details about the article. And where it says find online in the details here, it will show me how to get the full text availability of this article. And so I could follow this link and get the full text of this particular article from a scholarly journal. Thanks for watching to the end of the video. If you have any questions, visit the library website.